What's the meaning of clip art? Clip art. Clip art.
Clip art. Clip art. Clip art refers to pre-made images that can be easily copied and pasted into various documents or projects. These images are typically simple and stylized, often featuring solid colored shapes and cartoon-like illustrations. Clip art is commonly used in both personal and commercial contexts, as it allows people to add visual interest to their work without having to create original images from scratch. They are available in a variety of file formats and can be found online or purchased from specialized clip art libraries.